Welcome. I'm Sherrie, a real estate agent and founder of the SFields Group. In this presentation, we're going to break down some of the biggest myths about mortgages that hold people back from becoming homeowners. From the belief that you always need 20% down to worries about being self-employed or having less than perfect credit. I'll show you the facts so you can make empowered decisions. By the end of this video, you'll know what's real, what's not, and how to move forward toward homeownership with confidence. Myth number one, you must put 20% down. The truth is, many loans require much less. FHA, VA, USDA, and down payment assistance programs do exist. 20% is the old rule of thumb, not today's reality. FHA loans allow as little as 3.5% down. VA and USDA programs even allow zero down with qualified buyers. What matters is your eligibility. Myth number two, you can't buy with bad credit. Truth is, programs exist for credit challenges, and scores aren't the only factor. Lenders look at your overall profile, not just your score. There are loan programs for buyers with scores in the low 500s. We can also work with credit repair strategies while planning your purchase. Don't self disqualify before speaking with myself or a licensed professional. Myth number three, self-employed buyers don't qualify. And the truth is, alternative income documentation and bank statement loans do exist. Self-employment doesn't mean you're shut out. Lenders do offer bank statement programs to prove your income, and a strong cash flow and responsible records speak louder than W-2s. Work with entrepreneurs who now own homes because they knew the right path. Myth number four, you should wait for the market to crash. The truth is, waiting can cost you more in rent than higher prices and rates. Timing the market is nearly impossible. You wait, rents go up, and you miss out on equity growth. Even if home prices adjust higher, interest rates can cancel out the savings. Buying when you're ready financially is smarter than waiting for a crystal ball. Myth number five, the lowest rate equals the lowest rate. The truth is, loan fees and terms matter more than rates. A low rate with higher fees can cost thousands more over time. Always compare the APR, not just the rate. I guide clients to lenders who are transparent about the full picture. Myth number six, you need perfect credit. This is my favorite one. I love debunking this one. The truth is, lenders work with ranges. Perfection isn't required. Perfect credit is rare in this time and age, and it's not necessary. A strong savings, steady income, or a co-borrower can balance credit challenges. Good credit, of course, opens more doors, but even mid-level scores qualify. Myth number seven, you can't buy if you have student loans. The truth is, student loans can be factored into the debt ratios while not blocking approvals. Student loans are extremely common. Lenders account for them. Deferred loans or income-based repayment options do reduce the impact. Owning a home is possible with student loan debt. I've seen it firsthand. Myth number eight, it's always cheaper to rent than to buy. And the truth is, renting builds your landlord's wealth while buying builds yours. Rent looks cheaper month to month, but it builds zero equity. The fixed rate mortgage, you lock in payment stability. Over time, home ownership is how most Americans build wealth. Ownership creates legacy. Myth number nine, you should pay off all debt before buying. And the truth is, some debt is manageable. Saving for a down payment may be smarter. You don't need zero balances to buy. Lenders do expect some normal consumer debt, like car loans or credit cards. So wiping out savings to pay debt can hurt more than it can help, but the balance is key. Myth number 10, first time buyer means first home ever. The truth is, it usually means you haven't owned a home in 3 years. Definition surprises most buyers. If you sold a home more than 3 years ago, you may qualify again. This opens up access to grants, tax credits, and special loan programs. First time doesn't always mean first, it means fresh opportunity. We busted the biggest mortgage myths from 20% down to perfect credit, so you know the truth. Home ownership is possible, even if you thought the door was closed. The right strategy, the right loan, and the right guidance can put the keys in your hands sooner than you think. As a Georgia realtor and trusted advisor, I help clients cut through confusion, avoid costly mistakes, and move forward with confidence. If you like this video and found value here, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe.